Every day, people are expressing their feelings, and smartphone plays an important role in that. For this reason, we built it and try to make it better. Succeed the pursuit of ultimate design to enable the usage of internal space more efficient, and to make smartphone lighter, thinner, and more portable for you. We care about dynamic stability. We put a micro gimbal of merely 363mm inside the X50 Pro. Let you follow your heart with a steady hand. We provide more possibilities of capturing light in the dark. We know what moments are worth remembering. Your vision of the world deserves to be safe and protected. Without numerous algorithms and hundreds of off-site tests,
This is great.
we can light up the entire sky for you in the darkness. Or zoom in with 60 times to bring you closer to the world. Smartphone helps you to record, to witness, to connect. We make it better, and you make it more valuable. The ultimate design, designed by people.